What if I told you the best modern house design in 2025 combines sustainability with cutting-edge technology? Imagine seamless integration of smart home featuring energy efficiency system and eco-friendly materials. In 2025, we will see homes that are not only standing out for their, but also prioritize the environment, picture solar panels that blend into a sleek rooftop. The wall made for recycling material that looks stunning. Open concept layout with dominance, maximizing space and the natural lights, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. Large window will blur the lines between indoor and outdoor living, allowing nature to flow into our daily lives. Smart home technology will be more best than ever. Imagine controlling your lighting, security, and even climate with just your voice or a simple touch on your phone. Adding a green space like vertical garden or rooftop patches, and you have a design